Is it really possible to live in South Korea and save money, or this is just one of the most expensive countries in Asia? A lot of people dream of moving to South Korea, maybe for work, study, or just to experience the K-drama lifestyle. But what they don't talk about often is how much does it actually cost to live here. Today, we're going to find out, and I'm not doing this alone. I met up with Chagabe, a local Korean YouTuber, to break down the real cost of the daily life here, rent, food, transportation, and even more. Let's find out together, is living in South Korea really affordable? And I want to ask you about the cost of living here and the salaries. Does it compensate, if you have an average salary for the lifestyle over here? Like, for example, food, going for drinks, restaurants?
Yeah. Like, compared to Europe and America, South America, I think here is cheaper. The salary, the average salary, the minimum wage, like the established by the country, is like 1,800 USD.
Okay, that's decent.
Yeah, that's decent. And the average, like the normal people can get per month, is like 3,500.
Wow.
Yeah, it depends, the
that's
job
very
you have.
good.
Yeah, that depends the job you have. It depends like what you do, how's your lifestyle. For example, if you like drinking outside often, like soju in a restaurant, it will cost you 5,000 and also one beer. Let me take my glasses. And also for a restaurant, if you Koreans, they eat every day outside for lunch. It will take like 8 euros.
Okay, that's not bad.
Like 8 USD for lunch.
Very
like
decent.
They're decent, yeah. Like the food you're gonna eat every day, if you go
and
to
it's quality food.
Yeah, quality food, a really good one. If you go to another one, it can cost you 20 USD. But here, the food is cheap.
And it's great quality.
Now, if you're single, you rent a studio apartment, it will cost you like cheap one, 400 USD per month.
Very good.
Yeah, like really good one in a good area, it will cost you 800 USD per month. I think here, if you have a job, like we're getting the minimum wage and renting an apartment, studio apartment, and eating outside every day, you can save at least 500. Just eating outside every day for lunch and dinner, doing something at home.
Okay, that's very good. That's super interesting.
Yeah, per month the subway station and the bus, the transportation, you can spend like 50 USD per month. Yeah, gas, electricity, it all depends on you, But you can spend
save.
you can pay per month in gas, electricity, water, like 50 USD per month. Living alone, If you live with someone else, with family, it's different.
Of course. No, that's very good. That's very
for example, like, let's make a quick resume of this. If you're a singer living here in Korea, I'm talking about my experience. I was getting 1,800 per month in paying rent, gas, electricity, food, transportation. I was saving 700 USD per month.
Wow.
Yeah, like that was like
good.
5 years ago, 5 years ago, like for example, now it's like a little bit expensive more, but you're getting more money.
Wow, that's super interesting. And for example, as a foreigner, would it be difficult to move to South Korea?
Yeah, it's difficult because
right?
you have to come here legally to have a proper visa. But like with the
There are ways.
Korean content creator and everything, so they're giving visas to those people who are making content creator and also K-wave and K-pop and everything. They're helping those people. You can work here, and also as a student. Yeah, working holiday visa also, depends on the country. But like to live here is difficult. So the best way, I think, is find a Korean girl
woman.
or Korean man and then marry, and that's the easiest one.
Wow. So now you know, guys, the cost of living is pretty affordable and you get an okay salary. Because, for example, in my experience, I live in the United Kingdom, and with 1,800 US dollars, you can live, but you're gonna struggle. For example, for those $400 apartment, you live by yourself?
By yourself.
You share with people?
No. By yourself.
Wow.
Yeah, studio apartment, you have your room and kitchen and your bathroom, everything inside. Yeah, it's small, but it's okay, it's decent.
Because, for example, in the UK, it's very common that people share apartments with strangers or with friends.
Korean, they don't like it.
And it's very, very expensive. So it's good to know these details about the Korean lifestyle.
Sharing everything is so difficult. It's very uncomfortable. Korean, they don't like it. It's better. You have a smaller one and everything, but you're alone. You can do whatever you want. You can sleep. You can make the noise you want. always respecting other people in the building, but you're alone.
But if I go to an area like, for example, Gangnam, it will be more expensive.
Gangnam is way more expensive. Food is the same in all Korea. The food is, in some places you're gonna find cheaper one and everything, but the price is no different. The food, gas and electricity is a little bit higher there, but the apartment, the renting is very expensive. Yeah, double.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is it true that, for example, if you want to rent an apartment, you have to pay part of the value of the house?
Oh yeah. It's very expensive.
I heard
In
this.
so many countries you have to pay like 3 months of the rent or 2 months of the rent for the insurance. But here you have to pay like 10 or 20.
20,000 US dollars.
Yeah, like the price. For example, I was paying before like.
So it's affordable, but you need to do it in one go.
Yeah.
Which is expensive.
Yeah. It's like the insurance, you're gonna get that money back, but it's super high. It can cost you like 8,000 USD, and the monthly rent is gonna be 400.
Wow.
It's 20 times expensive. Yeah.
Wow.
But you're gonna get the money back.
You're gonna get the money back at some point.
Yeah, that's right.
That's good. Super interesting. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, what do you think? Will you be able to live in South Korea and actually save money? Let me know in the comments. Personally, I was surprised by some of the costs, especially the rent and food compared to what I get in my own home country. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe for more real stories and travel insights from all around the world. And a big thanks to Chagabe for sharing the local truth with us. Go and check out his channel too. This is Travel Wonderful, and I will be seeing you in the next adventure. Annyeong!